We had this thing called dim sum.
Nothing.
You know what it did? It dim sum good to my stomach. Because I was hungry. Yeah, I did.
Oh, I don't like
Okay, hey guys. Well, we started our first leg on our trip. We went to that Peak Top Chinese place. It was really good. We had this thing called dim sum.
Nothing.
You know what it did? It dim sum good to my stomach. Because I was hungry. So we're in Vaughan
Mills.
Yes, so we're gonna head to Georgetown, hang out at Abby's dad's place, and then we fly out tomorrow night.
Do they know where we're going?
Yeah, we're going to Vegas.
Well, we know where we're going.
I think so.
Did you tell them?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope we know where we're going.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, made it to Vegas. Hi Abby.
Hi.
We're tired, but we're probably gonna go adventure. It's not my first choice, but there's basically only Fords. I wanted a Caravan that's over there. Yeah. Abby said no. Okay, so we can't.
We could have had an SUV, but you said no. So
I
we're
said
not getting a van.
I'm gonna go so I can beat her up. Hey guys, we're just leaving Las Vegas, Nevada. Say what? Yeah, we're in Vegas. We've been for a couple days and haven't filmed anything. But we're off to do the touristy thing. I'm a touristy. Touristy.
Going to the Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
And Great Canyon.
Yeah. And I just cut off this silver car that's gonna give me a finger. No, he's
no
good.
Finger.
He's good.
Americans are nicer than they say.
My bad, bro.
Just kidding to the Americans watching this.
What do you mean they say? Who's they? Who said they were bad?
It was you.
Brian's a really nice guy.
Just kidding.
You know, all our other friends.
Yes.
Really nice guys.
All very nice.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Made a quick pit stop at this little overlook, which is kind of cool. Sorry about the wind. You're currently looking at Lake Mead. This is fun. I like being a touristy. Security check station. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Oh, fuck. So should have rented a fast car for this.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's weird. In the video, it looks like you're gonna hit the guardrail. When it puts it down, you're not even close.
Oh, really?
That was weird.
Oh my god. My bum's tightening up a little bit.
Everyone should visit Vegas. This would be so fun in a fast car.
Oh yeah, except I'm fucking freaking out here. I hate heights.
There's a guardrail.
Hey?
There's a guardrail. We're good.
Yeah, okay.
It's so pretty.
I've only been dreaming about driving off a cliff for the last week.
Vegas over here at your trophies.
Okay. I don't say this often, but this is so pretty. Oh, damn.
You're funny. Look at that bridge. This is so cool. Everybody should go to Vegas.
Alright, we're on the Hoover Dam. And my legs are literally weak. They get like numb and weak just looking down. It's like, hear that shit my pants. World's biggest, scariest water slide. Straight down. All right, that concludes our tour of the Hoover Dam. Next. Where are we going?
Oh, Grand Canyon.
Okay, go bye. Everywhere that's really pretty. And I'm really sad that I didn't get to bring any stickers because, like, everywhere we're stopping, I could have stuck a sticker. Bullshit. Bullshit.
There's people over there. What are they doing?
Could have left my mark. I feel like I'm in the desert of, like, Grand Theft Auto. Everything's all cool and old school looking. Square body Chevy. Oh, baby. Nice boat. Damn. Auto sales. So cool. Like, I'm in love with this place. It's so far away from everything. It's so wonderful. The library. So cool. Flood area. I don't even want to. It's so fucking scary. Ah! My legs are fucking jelly. I don't. Oh god. That is so fucking cool. Oh. Oh god. I hate this. Today on Revisit Radical Rides, we take you on a bump-puckering adventure. Not for this guy. Gotta go.